In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a Perplexity search result from your iPhone. By the end, you'll know exactly how to take a result you found in Perplexity and send it to anyone using the built-in iOS share options, quickly and confidently. First, open the Perplexity app on your iPhone. Make sure you're on a stable internet connection and that the app is up to date for the smoothest experience. If you've never used it before, you can start from the main screen. If you're a returning user, everything you need will be right where you left it. Next, either run a new search or open something you've already looked up from your history. To start fresh, tap the search bar, type your question, and wait a moment for the result to load. If you want to revisit a previous answer, open your history and pick the result you'd like to share. This is handy when you've already refined an answer and want to send the final version rather than starting over. Once you have the answer open, look for the share icon near the response. It's the square with an upward pointing arrow, the standard iOS share symbol. Depending on your screen size and layout, it may appear near the top of the answer or along the toolbar. If you don't see it immediately, scroll slightly within the answer area. It's usually close to the content you're viewing. When you tap Share, the iOS share sheet appears. Here, choose how you want to send the result. Messages is great for quick text with a link preview. Mail works well if you want to include a longer note or send it to a group. Copy link lets you paste the URL anywhere, including notes, chat apps, or collaboration tools. You can also post directly to social media if you want to share publicly. If you don't see your preferred app, swipe along the row of icons or tap More to find additional options. After selecting your method, complete the action. Pick your recipient, add any context you want, like why this result is useful, and then hit send, post, or paste as needed. The person receiving it can open the link and view the result. If they don't have the app, the link will open in a web browser so they can still see what you shared. Before you send, take a second to review the content for accuracy and remove anything personal if you've included custom details in your prompt. If the share option doesn't appear, try updating the app or reloading the result. That's it, you've just shared a Perplexity search result from your iPhone in a few simple steps.